this ink which is being used is the same ink being used from 2011. And it is used in a marker format from 2011, by the way. Despite there were, now let me take the names.
No, I think that's 2012. The State Election Commission said
2012
that order.
So Congress tenure. Secondly, this lady who has first spread this rumor, she's from something called Thakre Tak, Mumbai Tak. From Mumbai Tak she has done, even in her video, she has shown that the ink is not completely gone. It is visible. Even if the ink is not visible or visible, whatever it may be, this time there is digital and physical copy that once you have voted, you cannot vote again in the same booth or a ward. So it is impossible. Why doesn't, so it has all been fact checked. But having said that, I want to come to brass tacks, just 10 seconds more, 20 seconds more. Padmaja, you have done interviews with all people across the spectrum. The only person talking about Mumbai and all the corporations, just give me 10 seconds. In Pune, we have a metro now. In Pimpri Chinchwad, we have a Nigri line metro. In Nagpur, we have metro phase 2 and outer ring road. Navi Mumbai, we have international airport. In Nashik, we have a new highway and the connectivity we are talking about. In Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, we have given the Greenfield Expressway. In Mumbai, we have done Coastal Road, Atal Setu. We have done now One Mumbai
What's
connectivity.
your point? The campaign
Point is the only person talking about development and vision plan was us. And they only spoke about beating up South Indians or beating up North Indians. And tomorrow, Padmaja, I will get
Padmaja, let me tell you.
I will get Rasmalai for everyone sitting here.
Now?
I will get Rasmalai.
But if you're getting Rasmalai, I'll tell you where to get it from. I don't like
Padmaja, let me also tell you.
I will get from Bengali shop.
Okay, Padmaja, there is information in the public space which tells you how the money of the BMC, which was under the state government, was allocated only to wards which had BJP nominees or BJP candidates. You think people are not aware of all that? There has, by the way, roads which have been made, which were planned long time ago, which are used only by the ultra rich, is not the story of Mumbai. Mumbai has people 50% living in the slums.
Even
Mumbai
if there is rampant corruption, at least it is better than your sole plank being हम 10 मिनट में मुंबई बंद कर देंगे, हम इसको ठोक देंगे, हम उसको मार देंगे. एटलीस्ट आप 4 मीटर रोड तो बनाने का प्रॉमिस कर दो ना. That is my whole point. That
Padmaja,
even if you are faced with such rampant corruption and the only alternative you provide or the only alternative you offer is that we are going to beat the living daylights out of you, what is a Mumbaiker supposed to do? But let's again come back.
But once again, this corruption thing, they ran a 25-year BMC corrupt government.
No, but in the last 4 years,
you were in alliance.
You
were in alliance.
One second, please, Mr. Jha.
Last 4 years,
please don't interrupt.
You were in alliance.
And I'm answering, I don't interrupt you, you don't interrupt me. By the way, Padmaja, the Mithi Nadi scam, the road pothole scam, the COVID-19 body bag scam, or the garbage collection scam is all under Uddhav Thackeray when his government was there. What corruption is he talking about? And Amit, this Raj Thackeray's son, Amit hi hai na uska naam. How dare he says कि वो महाराष्ट्र में North Indians को नहीं आने देगा? Who is he? और वो ये बुरखे वाली बनाने के लिए ऊपर उसका मुंह नहीं खुलता. जब बुरखे वाली की बात हुई तो मुंह नहीं खुला.
Because I really want to go back to the data.
Padmaja, there was a very good article, I think, in the Indian Express, which told you how the Mithi River, which has been a source of so much of anguish for people who live in that area, still continues to have the most contaminated water.
Thanks to
and
you.
The government has done nothing about it. You have done nothing about it. You haven't even used the funds. You're an incompetent, corrupt
was giving
government.
contracts to Dino Moria.
We'll wait for the results tomorrow.
Okay, let's wait for the results tomorrow. And if indeed, again I reiterate, if they have done so much corruption and yet these numbers seem to be favoring them, imagine just how bad the alternative would have been, sir.
Well, 80 seats have been taken away by force. There was no election in 80 seats. They were taken away on account of money, power,
Challenge
and
it in court. Challenge it in court. What's stopping you? How many petitions have you put in court? If 80 seats have been taken away by coercion or by corruption, how many petitions have you?
Why they have not given candidate in front of Somaiya's son?
Having no confidence.
Somaiya के बेटे के सामने कैंडिडेट किसने नहीं दिया? पूछे इनसे.
बीजेपी winning without a
सोमैया के बेटे के सामने कैंडिडेट है क्या कांग्रेस का? कैंडिडेट है युवाटा का? अरे किरीट सोमैया के बेटे के सामने. अरे भाई उनका कैंडिडेट नहीं है. Where is the candidate?
It's a daylight fraud happening, Padmaja. Take it from me, it's a daylight fraud.
We could argue interminably about how when you tied up with the Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi, you did not even have candidates, sir. For 20 to 25 seats, you did not even have candidates. If
exactly.
I'm not mistaken, जी आपके पास candidate नहीं है, आपने rally नहीं किया, आप दिख नहीं रहे थे. But anyway, that is going to be dissected at length tomorrow.